Hello everybody. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a beautiful image for making flyer design. And I wanna show you the comparison between Gemini AI and Person AI and Flat AI. So this video fully made in AI for making my flyer design, and this video only for professional artists. So let's start. Welcome back. For do this, upload some reference image that I really collect from internet on Gemini platform. This is my free account, and make some text that I really need. Actually, I command to Gemini what I actually need. I want to add it a coconut and for honeymoon in Andaman Sea Beach. This image for making a create a poster for tours and travel agency for honeymoon in Andaman and Nicobar. So command the Gemini AI what I actually need. Tree and coconut tree both can see there the photo shoot from medium long distance, not long distance, medium distance. So here just hold on and patient for generating the image. This here you go, honeymoon in Andaman. Also I think the background image is not looks like Andaman Nicobar Sea Beach. So I rewrite the beach must be Andaman and Nicobar place, and husband and hood should be Indian. So this Western couple here, the Indian male and female, the couple husband and wife for newly married for honeymoon. The poster should be looks like a new married husband wife. Should be look in. This is this really good thing, and I have downloaded it few time ago. This is Indian culture. This is the honeymoon in Andaman, but this is Indian. So I want to the Chat GPT, the AI for making this Chat GPT for making a prompt. So don't. So to do this, I want to upload this image for making a prompt. So at first I hit on plus button, upload this image. I want to upload for clean image. I want to upload clean image on ChatGPT for getting a professional prompt from here that I really need. Just look like that images. I have already made this image. I have downloaded some reference image, 2 or 3 images and upload it on Gemini and command them what I actually need. So this is clear image, no text. This is text, and I totally get rid of this text. And now I wanna get plus button, hit on plus button, upload it and on ChatGPT and command them what I actually need. Just command them. Not need to be a good prompt engineering, because some ChatGPT or DeepSeek, you can use the DeepSeek, but DeepSeek has an lacks of this option to upload these emails. So you can upload it on Gemini or in the ChatGPT. So to do this, I'm using the ChatGPT location and the simple prompt everybody can use if you are using your local language. So this local language should be this I'm here using the English languages. This is prompt by ChatGPT, and I want to upload it on percent in here, and this paste this Indian couple, must be Indian couple, not Western couple, generated the same prompt and to paste it in another. So copy this one, copy this, and open Flat AI, the image generator. All are my free account. I'm generating all images from in my free account instead of premium account. So perchance now paste it on Gemini. So here you can see clearly the comparison between Gemini, perchance, and Flat AI. What AI delivered us a good quality as I really need. This is Flat AI generated image. This looks good, but the CBs, it's not looks like Andaman. So it can be like so. This image is very good quality. I want and download it again. And these images, I love this one. Saving this image. Okay, save this image. Image is good, no doubt. Indian couple are here. I love this one, but I want to see these. Everything is good. Everything is nice. Pick. Save this one. Save. And this is perchance. And I think now I'm gonna show you this resolution is not good for making a poster in social media. You can see the when I zoom in, the face is not looks good like so. Perchance. So this image is very good quality. You can this quality from freely account. This quality I got this quality from free account. You can see here. You can see. Now I want to show you how you can add this character from here, because I have already made this character in the right hand side. So now I want to show you how you can get the character. Just upload this image and write again a prompt. Kindly add the Indian husband and wife who are sitting, only Indian husband. Only just upload this one. Just I have already the lacks of the character that I really need. This is a beautiful image that Indian couple are. You can see here. So this is fine. I have downloaded this one, and I want to. My client is happy, and I want to really add this one for making my poster. This is the main process. So you can see here the comparison. The coming from Gemini Y, perchance Y, and the A and Flat Y. Who AI generated is very best for you. So if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe and hit on bell button to get early new release video. Thanks for watching. Save planet. See you again in the next video.